Hey everybody, welcome to another installment of Brad Cook Stuff. So, this week I decided to keep with my recent trend of making simple dishes. So, we're going to have a little bit of beef. But we don't want to just have beef, it's kind of boring. So instead, we're going to have ourselves a little vegetable and starch to go with it. Anyway, let's take a look at the ingredients and see what we're working with. Here are the ingredients for tonight's dish. So our main thing is going to be this Angus beef short rib, which I got at a significant discount. We've got some scallions, and finally, a little container of microwave rice. All right, let's go ahead and start working on the green onions. First, we're going to go ahead and chop up these green onions. Get them a little bit wet here. There we go. I'll wash these off. All right. All right, let's go ahead and chop these up. All right, I think that will be enough. We'll go ahead and put these in our bowl here and move on to the beef. Got a little butter in the pan here. Let's go ahead and melt it. All right, let's add this beef short rib. There's a lot of it in here. For seasonings, I'm going to use some of this brown sugar bourbon. I really like this stuff, and I think it's going to taste really good over here. And we're going to add a lot of it here. This nice and seasoned. Oof. Let's flip all these over. And of course, some more seasoning. Right, well, this is coming along nicely and it smells really good. Let's go ahead and add in our green onions. I flipped everything over and kind of mix it up, and it smells delicious. Seriously, this smells really, really good. You know, I think this might actually be done. Let's go ahead and turn the heat way down. We're going to microwave a little bit of rice. The beauty of these microwave rice packages is that all you have to do is just drop them in for a couple of minutes, and it's pretty much perfect for 1 or 2 servings. All right, that finishes my rice up. Whew, nice and hot. Well, there's my rice. Let's go ahead and put some beef and onions on top of it. Well, that's my beef and onions on top of the rice. I think it's time for dinner. All right, moment of truth. I have here a bowl of rice topped with Angus beef short rib and chopped green onion that was fried with some brown sugar bourbon seasoning. So first of all, oh my God, this smells amazing. It really, really does. I am very much looking forward to this. And because this is kind of a donburi, kind of a beef bowl, I'm going to be using some chopsticks here. All right, let's give it a try. See how it tastes. First, get ourselves a nice piece of this beef with plenty of onion on it. Oh my God. Good Lord, that's delicious. The onions give it a nice tangy taste, but that brown sugar bourbon, that's excellent on here. I think I cooked this just about the right amount of time, honestly. All right, let's get a little bit of this rice with some of the green onion and a little bit of beef there. Oh, that's really nice. So the rice actually gives it a nice contrast because the rice doesn't have particularly strong flavor, but the beef and onions do. So putting the two of them together, oh, it's really, really good. Let's get another bite of this here. I need some more of this beef here. A little rice here. Yeah, the beef and onion are flavoring the rice here. Just a little bit of everything here. Looks like it's steaming. I got plenty of rice and onion here. So the idea this week was a balance between simplicity and quality. I wanted something that was easy to make, but whose yield was much better than the sum of its parts. And I think I accomplished that. Check that out. A little bit of rice on that beef. Oh, so good. So, was this difficult to make? Not in the least. I chopped up green onion. I put some beef in the pan and seasoned it. Threw the green onion on once the beef was about half cooked. And the rest is basically evident right here. Microwave rice, man, that is super easy to make. And everything ended up turning out delicious. And it smells good, but it tastes even better. Seriously, check this out. So I have a great deal of this left. I am not going to eat all of this tonight. This is an entire serving of microwave rice plus an entire tray of Angus beef short rib and most of a bunch of green onions. So there's no way I'm finishing this all tonight, but I'm gonna have a little bit more of this before I go to bed, and then I'm gonna put the rest of this away as leftovers for later. But as always, appreciate you guys stopping in, and we'll see you in the next video.